Welcome to yoga. You won't need anything for your practice today, but I highly recommend that you grab a folded blanket from your couch to help support knees and hips. When you're ready, meet me in child's pose, either extended with your knees wide, arms out long in front of you, or a traditional child's pose with your arms down by your sides, palms facing up behind you. And take a big breath in, big breath out. Relax. And feel your loved one's smile shining down on you, the warmth of their love around you. For you are now the keeper of their stories and shared memories. And it is a gift that you gave to them for you to grieve for them so they did not have to grieve for you. Slowly rise. And swing your legs out around in front of you to come to lie down in a fetal position on your left side. Grief leaves a hole in your heart in the shape of the person that you lost. But that emptiness can be filled with love. Reach your right arm up to the ceiling and lean back as you open up into a twist. And because grief is the other side of love, the shadow of love, you can shed some light on it with that same love. As you relax into this twist, bring up a memory of love and reclaim it from the claws of grief. So instead of this memory being a source of sadness and despair, hold it in a space with happiness and joy. And when you're ready, in time, you can spread more light and fill that emptiness with more love and more memories. One more big breath in and out. Pull your right arm in towards your body. Grabbing onto your knees, roll onto your back and place both feet on your mat wider than your hips so your knees can bend up towards the ceiling or fall in towards each other. Take one hand to your heart, one hand to your belly. Feel the weight of your pelvis rest down into the mat. and feel your belly rise and fall with each breath. And your heart's gentle beating under your hand. These are reminders that you're still here and that you're still here to find purpose. And that part of your grief journey will be discovering your purpose. Hold on to sparks of passion, moments of purpose, and lean on them for balance when you need strength to keep going. Roll your body onto your right side. Tuck your knees in close. And slowly extend your left arm up and back, opening up into your twist. In poses like this, you can use your breath to calm your body, to soften the tension, and to fill the void that is full of pain and emptiness with love. Because grief is not the absence of love, but proof that love still exists. Grief is tremendous, but love is bigger. Slowly pull your left arm back in. Grab onto your knees and roll onto your back. And rock out slow circles on your lower back. Or take your knees wider and try making those circles bigger. And feel free to add any other movement your body is calling out for. Communicating with your body, asking what it needs. And when you're ready, release into your final Savasana. Take up space as you extend your legs out long and let your feet fall open. With your arms out long down by your sides and your palms facing up. Gently close your eyes and feel your body relax into the ground beneath you. Soften the expression from your face, your eyelids, your eyebrows, and around your mouth. And feel your whole body becoming soft and heavy. As you rest in a place of total relaxation. Where you can pump the brakes on fight or flight and relax into place. So relax and allow yourself to rest for the next couple of minutes. When you're ready, wake up your body with small movements in your fingers and toes. Taking a deeper breath in and out. Reach your arms overhead and take a long body stretch. As if you just woke up. As your new self, your after self. One with strength and courage that it takes to face your pains, and with hope and a sense of purpose. Slowly roll over into your fetal position. And just like an infant learning to walk again, be patient with yourself and acknowledge even the smallest steps that you've taken. Press yourself up to seated. And place your hands on your heart, one on top of the other. This is a place of love and loss that symbolizes a lifeline connecting you and your loved one in different realms together. With this shared love in mind, Bring your hands together at heart center, and from your loved one to you, Namaste.